Grapevine, get ready. There's a wild new adventure headed to Grapevine Mills, Dig World, the construction theme park where kids can actually operate real excavators, UTVs, skid steers, and even ride a 40-foot boom lift. Is breaking ground in early 2026. But the excitement doesn't stop there. DFW's own Dude Perfect is teaming up to bring exclusive trick shot zones and interactive challenges inside the park. With ticket options starting at just $30 for 2 hours and annual passes from $50, this is hands-on family fun with real construction equipment and viral star magic. So share this with a friend who's always building, blasting, and aiming for that next big trick shot. I can't believe this wasn't around when we were kids. Thanks again for watching and have a fantastic week. I really appreciate every single one of you guys.